Continuing where we left off, my calculator shows me that the intersection is at the spot x equals 15.5. So I would say that the first day that at least 100 copies were sold was on day 16. Because if I do second trace value when x equals 15, my y value is only 90. So on day 15, there were not 100 copies sold. However, if I do second trace value and I do day 16, there were 109 copies sold. So it would be on day 16 that there were at least 100 copies sold. What is the minimum number of books that were sold on any one day? So I am looking for a minimum, or the vertex. So, back to my calculator, second trace minimum. Number 3, I've got to find my vertex. And I'm going to go 3 to the left, 1, 2, 3, enter. Back to the vertex, and 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, enter. And I get that the minimum number of books sold. Remember, number of books, that is a y value. So y equals 9 books on one day. Okay, this is the end of notes 12.6.